All right, this is Mr. Bedley. I'm going to be showing you how to use ChatGPT to get a little bit of help on your homework. And what you want to do is open up the ChatGPT app. I have the ChatGPT Plus subscription where I pay $20 a month to have extra features on it. And you would pretty much have to do that, to pay that plus in order to do what I'm about to show you to do. And first what you do is you hit this button right here. That opens up your ability to have a conversation with ChatGPT. And I'm going to mute the microphone because ChatGPT
Absolutely it does.
See?
Once we start chatting, you can ask me pretty much anything that's on your mind or that you need help with. Whether it's something practical or just a fun conversation, we can dive right in.
So the feature I want to show you on here is the video camera, and that allows you to have ChatGPT see the same things that you're seeing. So you can point that at your textbook and then talk to ChatGPT about where you're struggling and have ChatGPT explain it to you. The weakness is that it does it verbally and not visually. Perhaps a parent could listen to it and then transfer that over to something visual to help the student. But let's go ahead and see how this works here. Hey, I'm working on this math assignment right here, and I'm stuck on number 17, but I don't have to do number 18. I'd like you to show me how to do number 18, which would help me then to understand how to do number 17. And can you pretend like I'm a 6th grader and I'm struggling to understand this concept? So I really need you to help me to understand the concept, not just how to get the answer.
Absolutely, let's do that. So I see that number 18 is about finding the square root of a number, in this case, 484. And if we understand that, it'll help you feel more comfortable with the previous problem. So imagine you're a 6th grader and you're not quite sure what a square root is. Think of it like this. The square root of a number is just the number that when you multiply by itself, gives you that original number. So we're asking, what number times itself equals 484? We can break it down by estimating. We know that 20 times 20 is 400, and 25 times 25 is 625. Since 484 is between those numbers, the square root is somewhere in between. And it's actually 22 because 22 times 22 equals 484. Once you get that idea, you can do the same kind of thinking for number 17. So it's not just about the answer, it's about understanding that a square root is basically the reverse of squaring a number. Let me know if that makes sense.
All right, and then if you wait for this little circle to go back just a slight amount, that means that you've got now a transcript of what was just said. By hitting the X, here is a transcript of everything that was just said to me to help me on that math problem. So I think it's a pretty cool tool to use, as long as you don't use it to just answer get. And let me know if you need any further assistance.